Welcome to the Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable standby mode on your iPhone running iOS 17. Standby mode allows your phone to show time, date, photo slideshow, live activities, or any other widgets you set on your bedside table. So let me show you how to enable this. So before you begin, you want to first make sure your phone has been updated to the latest version. You can do this by going into Settings, General, Software Update, and here you can confirm it has been updated to the latest version, which is iOS 17.0. Once you confirm that, you'll now go back to Settings. Next, you'll scroll down until you see Standby. Here you want to go ahead and enable Standby. And now you need to make sure Always On is enabled as well. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and rotate your iPhone so it stays landscape. Next, you want to go ahead and add the lightning cable. Go back to Home. Lock the device, and now your standby mode will be enabled on your iPhone. Here you can go ahead and swipe up and see different views. So you have the analog view of the time. You have what's trending on iOS 17. You have a reading list. Again, a watch and a date. On the right hand side, you have the temperature. You have the events, reminders, new notes, and so on. And there you go. That is how to enable standby mode on your iPhone running iOS 17. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.